Hello, dear students. I'm Shalaka Deshpande. Welcome to the second lecture on artificial intelligence. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the components of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. Let me share the screen. So our today's topic is components of AI. In this, we are going to discuss about what are the various methodologies in which AI is connected. Okay, means every intelligence, it might be the intelligence of machine or it might be the intelligence of humans. Every intelligence is having various parts and various different areas. We are going to discuss that today. So this is the diagram of components of artificial intelligence. You can see the intelligence is divided into various parts and each part has its significance. Okay, so first is reasoning, second is learning, third is perception, fourth is problem solving, and fifth is linguistic intelligence. So we are going to discuss these parameters in detail today. Okay, so these are the components of artificial intelligence. So first is the perception. In order to work in the environment, intelligent agents needs to scan the environment and various objects in it. Obviously, if you take the example of human being, when you are working in any workplace or environment, in home, office, wherever the place might be, first you scan the environment, how the environment is, and accordingly you start your work. So similarly, machine also needs to scan the environment before starting the work. It should know which object is at a which position, etc., etc. That is scanning the environment. Agent like camera, temperature sensors, etc. It scans the environment using various sensors like camera, temperature sensors, etc. This is called as a perception. Now, how does the agent scans the environment? Okay, agent is a medium through which AI machine perceives the environment or catches the input, gets the input from environment. Okay, so basically, how does the agent scan environment? Is by using various sensors. What are those sensors? By using camera, temperature sensor. Okay, so these are the sensors. Using these sensors, the agent scans the environment. This is called as a perception. Okay, after capturing various scenes, perceiver analyzes the different objects in it and extract their features and relationship among them. Means after capturing the scene, there is an analysis of that. After perceiving the things, there is an analysis of different objects in it. What does that mean? What is the name of the object? What is the function of the object, etc. Okay, analysis of that object. And if it is an image, if input is an image, the features are extracted from that image and a relationship between the different objects of image is determined. Now this is the image processing part. This is not a part of subject. In case you are interested, you can refer image processing books. So for the purpose of AI, you just remember in case of image, the features, important features are extracted. Next is knowledge representation. The information obtained from environment through sensors may not be in the format required by system. Now, in the knowledge representation, when the information is extracted from environment, that information is not in the particular format which a system can understand. Means it's a raw data. We have to arrange that data and convert it into a knowledge by organizing the data. So it is not in the format required by system. It is represented in the standard format for further processing like learning various patterns, deducing inference, comparing with the past object. So first we have to put the raw data into format by scanning various pattern, deducing inference and comparing with past objects. Okay, so all these things, comparing with past objects, formatting of data, this is done in knowledge representation. Next is learning. Learning happens in various forms. The simplest form of learning is by trial and error. In this form, the program remembers action that has given desired output and discards other trial actions and learns by itself. Now see, there is a machine, it is having input, it is given a particular input, it after getting particular input, it processes the information and the input and it gives you particular output. Then that output is compared with the desired output, and if it matches the desired output, we say that input is optimum. Okay, and other actions which are giving output which are not matching with the desired output, they are discarded. Only the input and actions which are giving the output which matches with the desired output, they are retained. Okay, clear? And other inputs, now what is this happening? First input is given, output doesn't matches with desired output, then second input is given, then the output matches. After getting feedback from the first output, second input is given, then the output matches somewhat with the desired output, then third and fourth. So in this process, system is learning from the mistakes. Okay, and it learns by itself, so it is called as a trial and error method. It is also called as unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning means machine is not under supervision of anyone, it is learning by itself. Okay, in other case, solutions to few of the problems is given as input to system, based on which a system or a program needs to generate solution for the new problems. This is known as a supervised learning. What is supervised learning? Okay, solutions are already given to the problems. They are input to the system and they are stored in a particular memory. Okay, and when the problems are given as an input, those solutions are represented as output, which are already stored in the memory. So already the solution is known before getting the input. So this is the supervised learning. Next is reasoning. Reasoning is also called as logic or generating inferences from given set of facts. Logic is lot of facts are gathered together, and from those facts, logic is generated. By analyzing those facts, logic is generated, and that logic is reasoning. Reasoning is of two types, deductive and inductive. Let's see each of them in detail. In deductive reasoning, truth of premises guarantees truth of conclusion. Whatever the facts are there, and according to those facts, conclusion is determined, and that conclusion is completely dependent on those facts. Okay, that is what is that? Deductive learning. Okay, now inductive reasoning. In inductive reasoning, what is happening? Truth of premises supports conclusion but is not fully dependent on premises. According to facts, conclusion is inferred, but that conclusion is not 100% dependent on the on your, that is not 100% dependent on your facts. Okay, so that is inductive reasoning. Next is, in programming logic, generally deductive inferences are used. So mostly for clarity of purpose, we are using deductive inferences. Next is problem solving. AI addresses a huge amount of problems. There are a lot of problems which need to be solved. The life is getting complicated in this modern digital era, and AI addresses a huge amount of problems. So what are those? Example, planning actions in order to achieve the defined task. Every machine is given a desired task, so it has to plan action according to the task to achieve the goal. Identifying objects from given images. Now images are given input to machine. So what are the objects? What is not? What is background? To identify and to differentiate between object and background, some algorithms are run in the machine and it identifies object from the images. Problem solving methods are mainly divided into general purpose method and special purpose method. There are two types of problem solving method, general purpose method and special purpose method. So general purpose method are applicable to wide range of problems, while special purpose method are customized to solve particular type of problem. So general purpose method, that machine which is based on general purpose method, it solves many different types of problems. Okay, for example, your PC, personal computer, you can do you can run lot of applications in your personal computer. You know what are those applications? Everyone of you must have worked with the computer. With the special purpose methods are customized to solve particular type of problems. Now there are special purpose methods of problem solving, and those methods, machines which implement special purpose method, they are customized to solve particular type of problem. There is one set of problem, machine will solve only that problem. It will not focus on other problems. Special purpose problem solving machines. Now next is natural language processing. NLP involves machine or robot to understand and process language that humans speak and infer knowledge from speech input. Means machine should not only understand English or language which humans are speaking, it should also infer knowledge. It should also understand meaning of what is being spoken by human being. Okay, the intelligence is imparted to the machine. Okay, in the NLP unit, it involves active participation from machine in the form of dialogue. So it is machine is having dialogue with the human being. Okay, for example, your Google Assistant machine is having dialogue with your human being. NLP aims at a text or a verbal output from machine or robot. So robot is answering you or machine is answering you verbally or in the text format. Okay, so the communication between the machine and a human is important, and it is wholly dependent on the natural language processing unit. Okay, so thank you for watching video. If you have any doubt in this lecture, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.